My name's Bill, and today I'm going to show you how I turn one of these fence pickets, cedar fence pickets, into one of these beer holders, or beer bottle openers, I'm sorry. Using my Onefinity CNC and an Ortur 2 laser. We start out by sanding the planks down to get a nice smooth plank. We'll put it on a CNC, cut out the shape of the bottle, mark the spots where the holes need to be drilled and the screws need to be added. Take it over to the laser, engrave the emblem, spray it with some clear coat, add the opener. I don't know, but everybody does that shock look, so